Scrolling to the bottom of this real feed should load more automatically. Let's wire that up for real. Infinite scroll fetches the real next page of data automatically once the user genuinely scrolls near the bottom of the page. The scroll event fires constantly, so the actual trigger check needs to stay cheap and simple. New real items get appended to the existing list, nothing already on screen gets replaced, and a real page counter tracks which page to request next, incrementing with every genuine load. This real counter tracks which page of results has already been genuinely loaded. Page 1 starts pre-rendered on the page. This real event genuinely fires many times per second while scrolling. The check inside has to stay fast. This real formula compares how far the user has genuinely scrolled against the real total page height with a small buffer. Only when this real condition is true does anything else in this handler run. Incrementing the real counter before the request, so a second scroll event firing quickly after won't accidentally request the same page twice. The real page number becomes part of the URL, telling the server exactly which slice of data to genuinely return. Same real JSON parsing pattern as every earlier episode. This real callback runs once the next page's genuine items actually arrive. AppendChild here is the real, deliberate choice. These new real items join the list, they don't replace what's already there. That's the whole real pattern. Watch, detect, fetch, append, repeat for every subsequent real scroll. A real production feed needs a stopping condition. The server can return an empty array, and the client should genuinely stop listening for scroll once that happens. Instead of a scroll listener firing constantly, this real, newer API only fires when a genuine Sentinel element actually enters the viewport, cheaper on the browser. Even the cheap nearBottom check here still runs on every real scroll event. A genuine production app often throttles it to run at most a few times per second. Next, submitting a real form without triggering a page reload at all.